How to add music to Instagram Notes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add music to Instagram Notes, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to add music to your Instagram Notes, let's say that you have the Instagram application, right? You want to just go to the DMs page from the top of the screen. As you can find it, Instagram has released a new feature where you can simply add a music to your Instagram Notes, and to do this just tap the plus icon right next to your notes over here, and then right over here you can add a note, but you can also add a song that you like, as you can see many other people doing so. So tap on this musical notation icon over here. Now just in case you don't happen to see this music option over here, I want you to check whether or not you're using the latest version of Instagram, because sometimes the lack of update could also be one of the reasons. Update the Instagram app, reinstall it, and then just go ahead and see if that helps you actually solve your problem. Now you want to come back, just select any of the music that you might like over here. The good part about it is that you can select the seconds of how much you want the music to appear. You can see 30 seconds is selected by default, and you can also choose the verse of the music of which to when you want to go ahead and upload the music from. Now you can just tap the check option here. The music will be added, and you just need to tap the share option to completely share them, and this way you can add music to Instagram Notes. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.